Welcome to Katie Trader channel. I opened sell because a correction green candle has appeared when the market is about to decline. I'm sure the market will go down strongly. The MACD indicator is very supportive for me to open sell. I use 2 minutes. We wait for the time to run out. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and activate the notification bell, so you don't miss it when I upload the latest video from my channel. Profit guys. Open I raised $70. I opened this beautiful moment because the market was down strong. The MACD indicator was very supportive. This was the time of decline from a market guys. The time is 2 minutes. We wait again until it's finished. Is it my profit? Profit guys. Thank you already watching.